Hi everyone, it's Miss Ramsey here. I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on your grading policy. I'll be updating it in your syllabus and also on your Canvas page, but I just wanted to make a video to make sure that you guys actually watch this and understand what the new policy is. So in the beginning, our policy was that all the work for the unit would be due the day before the unit test, which would give you guys basically an entire unit to get your assignments in on time. That was just to work around, if you were having a day where maybe you were having a conflict of schedule or something like that. So it was designed to be helpful, but again, all of our classwork is made to be done on the day of, right? So you should be doing daily assignments and submitting them on the same day that they're assigned unless you have a conflict of interest. The policy of turning it in the day before the unit test, that was, leeway because we are doing virtual learning and some of you do have conflicting schedules. But as we are here at the end of Unit 1, there are many, 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 many zeros in the grade book. And you guys just haven't turned your work in. So we're going to have to reevaluate that grading policy. So now instead of having until the day before the unit test, all of your work will be due every Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. So you will have on average about 5 assignments for a week, and those assignments will all be due on Sunday night. So we're not taking until the day before the unit test. The late policy will still apply, so if you turn it in one day late, it'll be 30 points off, and anything after that, it will be a flat 50. And I will take work up until the day of the unit test, and then after you take your unit test, I will no longer accept work for that unit. And this is just going to be a way to help you guys regulate yourselves, and also hopefully get more of you to turn work in on time. There's a handful of you that have turned your work in beautifully. You've got it in on time and you're doing fine, but most of you are not. So again, everything will be due for the week on Sunday evenings at 11:59 p.m. They will be late. So from the previous week, they'll be late on Monday. Okay, so on Monday you can still get a 70 and anything after that will be a flat 50. So I will make sure that the correct date is on your assignments in Canvas. And if you have any other questions about that, let me know. That being said, you're doing independent lessons on Thursday and Friday when we start Unit 2. Those assignments will be due this Sunday, so the day before Labor Day. So make sure that you guys are getting those in and doing those on time. But if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm going to update the grading policy on Canvas, but also in your syllabus. And that's how we're going to proceed from now on. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if not, you guys can go ahead and get started for your lesson for the day.